Top 5 ways to navigate Excel. Number 5. Use the mouse. Number 4. Use the arrow keys. Number 3. Use the name box. Number 2. Make your own name box using Visual Basic for applications. Before we reveal our number 1 pick, we take a look at one honorable mention that did not quite make the list. Make a subroutine that takes you to a random cell in the worksheet. If it does not take you where you want to go, you just need to try again and again and again. Number 1. Use the Control and arrow keys. Thanks for watching.